Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today we're going to do our stepper motors on the back of our instrument cluster. So what you want to do is pop those tabs that I'm showing you right now. There should be 5 of them. Just pop them with your fingers and you can get the glass casing off. Now what you want to do is use the pry tool and pop out each individual dial one by one. Now you want to pop the same clips off in the back, exposing the circuit board. Remove the circuit board, and those are all the stepper motors. There should be 6 in total. Well, on this vehicle there are 6. Now you take the soldering gun and you desolderize the connections. Now what you want to do is solder each stepper motor back onto the circuit board. You want to take your time and do this. You do not want to leave the soldering iron on the board for more than 3 seconds. This can cause you to burn the circuit board and you will be in bigger trouble than you thought. So like I said, just take your time, and patience is Now you want to carefully assemble your speedometer board back again, and be very careful that you do not break anything or bend the circuit board or flex it. Just take your time and do this, and hook it back up to your car and hope that it works. Alrighty guys, like I said, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, because I do have new videos every week. I try to upload 3 times a week now. And yeah, also share on your social media and help me out here. So thanks guys again for watching, and I'll see you soon.